Hi and welcome to the course. I'm really excited you decided to join me. Throughout the course, we're going to be learning a lot about Python and programming REST APIs. We're going to make these APIs production ready, and that means we're not just going to learn how to program them, but we're also going to look into much more advanced topics such as authentication, deployment, performance, and more. I'm really excited to have you here. Please always ask questions in the course Q&A if you ever need anything or have any doubts, even if it's not inside the course, but outside programming REST APIs for your own projects. I'm really excited to help you, and I'm always available. Over time, I will also be adding more content to the course, so keep checking back once you've completed it, because more content will be coming. That's it for this video though. I'm excited to have you start. In the next couple of videos, we're going to be essentially setting up and getting ready to begin the course. And in section 2, we're going to really start programming in Python. And then section 3 onwards, we'll cover the REST API programming. Now, section 2, you may be able to skip if you've already got previous experience with Python, but do watch over the next couple of videos just to get an idea of where we are. That's it for this video, so I'll see you on the next one.